go.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Charlotte Van Horn with Black Expats in Panama, and I'm here with Dr. Aris Latham, and I just want him to introduce himself and tell them where we are and what you're working with.
Well, I'm the impact.
You're the impact.
Impact.
That's right. You're the impact. I'm the expat.
Right. I'm in the house because I was born here, but I was expat over there. Now I'm impact.
I know that's right.
I'm in my patriotic country. Bought my passport from Panama from birth, and here I am. Welcome to Sunfired Culinary Institute here at Rio Piedra Organic Farm in Costa Rica on the Caribbean coast. This is where we are in Portobello.
And y'all know I'm not really that nature girl, but he got me out here to his farm today. It is beautiful. And especially for those that love nature. There's so much food out here. Oh my goodness. The farm is, you said 700
700 acres, yeah.
Wow, tell us about it.
Well, you know, we're full of bees, birds, butterflies, and bats.
All the bees.
All the bees,
Yeah.
you know, and these are the bees that make our food. You know, so wherever those four congregate, it's food land. And this is where we are in the Caribbean. And basically, we've got 7,000 coconut trees and over 100 variety of different species of fruits, mostly exotic fruits like the jackfruit. We got the big jackfruit over here. You know, we got the jackfruit over here, and we grow them even bigger here.
So how long do you think it takes, how long does it take something that big to grow?
We're talking about 3 years.
Really?
Yeah, and that's a young one. That's the green one.
Wow.
That's the one that people will cook and do the pulled jackfruit.
Yes,
you know,
I've seen about
that's
it.
the one. So you got to harvest it before it's ripe.
Yes.
Before it starts turning into sugar. But you do have to steam it, and it has the perfect texture of flesh. It's fruit flesh.
Yes. He prepared a meal today, and he used plantain. I've never had plantain like that. And you know, it was just he used everything. Everything was natural. You know, he doesn't use any heat. And but by the time you put that curry on there, onions, oh my goodness!
And the highlight of the curry sauce was our coconut cream.
Yes.
Coconut cream. So we don't fry the plantain in coconut oil and this kind of. You know, plantain is a sponge when it's ripe. So we put a good batch of coconut cream in there, and it absorbed all the coconut cream. So, you know, the flavor is infused deeply into the plantain with all that curry, and the curry had a spice kick to it.
It did. It was definitely on point. And so we visited with him while he actually did a presentation for a group in India. And Dr. Latham is world renowned. And we're just blessed to have him in Panama, back in Panama at this time. And you're offering programs and things here at the farm. Can you tell us about this?
Yes. Well, here at the farm, this is our main campus here. We have one in the city. But here is from farm to table. Or really farm to mouth. You know, we go direct. We go right to the jugular vein when it comes to food explosion in your mouth.
Yes, yes.
Because you know we got like fresh spinach. You know, harvested right here. We got the garlic.
We saw the spinach growing. Yes. Wow.
We got garlic leaves. We got thyme here on the property. Rosemary, all the culinary herbs. We're full of them over here.
Yes. I see. You even got Ginette was telling us that's even mint.
Yeah,
like it's just so smart the way everything is designed.
And we have tons of avocados. You know, we have about 60 avocado trees and all kinds of varieties. We got another one here. These long neck avocados.
Is this the one we saw, y'all? Yes.
Yeah.
It looked like a squash hanging from a tree. It really did. Yes.
Papayas and mangoes, tons of mangoes. They just left the season. And we have peppers. We have all kinds of different fresh peppers right here.
Beautiful
seasoning
food.
Peppers, hot peppers.
Beautiful food.
You know, there's Ocoto pepper. This one looks innocent, but
it'll light you up. What? I love these salt peppers. I need to try that one.
And check this out. Does those look familiar?
It looks like grapes.
Muscadine.
Muscadine.
Muscadine grapes.
Oh.
They grow them down in North Carolina over there. They call them bullets.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is what they use and make the muscatel wine with.
Wow, did you grow them here?
We got them right here. We got
Wow.
them right here. There it is, right over there.
Wow.
For the muscadines.
Never go hungry here.
So we can do growing too?
Yeah, so you have some programs, right now where I just was talking to a brother and he came to the program to get the certification in cooking.
Sunfired certification,
All
hands-on
right.
food preparation in the stoveless kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Strictly stoveless in this kitchen, where we teach you how not to kill the food.
Yeah.
And to do a direct solar transfer of solar energy from the plants to ourselves.
Yeah.
Juices, nut milk, seed milks, smoothies, salads, side dishes, main dishes, cheese, yogurt, pizza, burger.
Oh.
I'm the raw food DJ.
Yes,
You tell me
yes,
what
you
you
got,
want.
You got that mix for us. Oh wow, that is that is like really revolutionary for me. And so other people, as well. It's a concept that we haven't tried. And I think that when you break it down the way that you do, I think that we understand why we do need to give it a try and get back to nature. So you have that certification course, that's 6 days, 6 hours a day?
6 days, 6 hours a day. It's deeply in the kitchen, so you come and I unlock your personal creative culinary energy. That's what I teach you how to create, and that's where it's at, And then we have the detox program, where we just put you in the mud pit. Number one, we send you to the raw food boot camp, and put you in nature's arms,
Yes.
so that nature can just naturally just detox you, just flush you out with the sunshine, the spring water, the coconut water, the clay bath, all of these types of things. You leave here, you are glowing, you're beaming, and you're ready for the world. Because you're going to drop a lot of waste here.
Yes, and a lot of us, I know I do, need to. When we got here, we were greeted with coconut water and Noni juice, a shot of Noni juice.
That's right.
That was good.
Yeah.
And I thought that was a very, very sweet, appropriate welcome for us as well. And I was talking to the doctor about some of the people like in our group, and how some of us are older. We're getting to the place now we need to focus more on our health and well-being. We need to make sure that we are using everything that we can to keep our immune systems up.
That's right.
Especially at this time for sure. And I think that it's a good time with a lot of us, especially those of us that are coming to, going into retirement, where you can kind of make more choices for your life.
That's right.
And I think that it's a good thing for us to consider doing something together.
All right.
So that's why we are here today.
Okay.
We are working on a collaboration where we have something special for our Black expats in Panama group members and others that want to join in too. But we are going to design a program just for you, and so stay tuned to hear more about that. And of course, if you want to follow Dr. Latham, is it Aris _Latham?
That's correct.
Hey, I got it right.
All
You
right.
can be one of his more than 150,000 followers, but I'm sure you'll see that you came. So we just wanted to stop by and say hi, and I wanted to thank you for having us out today.
You're welcome.
And I'm so looking forward to coming back. Y'all, it's like a paradise out here. And we were on live earlier, and so I did sort of like a Zoom around, but I think I'll do one more before we close out this Zoom. But
Nice.
thank you very much for having us, and I look forward to seeing you
Thanks
again
for
soon.
dropping in, and hey, open arms. Welcome home. Come on.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to do a pan, and then we're going to go ahead and close out. Am I doing this right? Turn it around. Okay, hold on. All right, here we go. Y'all know I can be challenged, right? Oh my goodness, look at that hammock. And you know what? I really want y'all to see, look at this outdoor kitchen. Have you ever seen anything like that? How amazing is that? And when he's recording and he was doing his event earlier today. It was just perfect. It was just absolutely perfect. The backdrop was just absolutely perfect for what he was doing. So with that, I'm going to say, as always, it's good to see y'all. Again, I want to thank those that hopped on the call last night with the brothers living abroad. It was absolutely amazing. And the feedback that we're getting, like people like saying, I really never thought about how, the U.S. is creating this fear and anxiety in me. And we just want our brothers and sisters to know that you have options. And when you have options and you come here and you start to exercise your option, make it a point to get more healthy. And this is one way that we can create that for you. So y'all stay tuned, and then we're gonna let you know what we have designed for you as soon as possible. Okay, be blessed, have an amazing Sunday. Bye.